Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to find the fuses for the power windows on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2008-2017. So you have quite a few fuses, not just one fuse, you have a few, two different locations. So stay with us to see where they are. If your power windows do not work, definitely check the fuses first. We'll be taking apart this whole car guys, more than 200 videos coming, so let's go ahead and start on the video now. If you need anything, subscribe and let us know. So what we'll need to do guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it of course, and the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So you need to squish on both sides towards each other. Okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers. Okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So one of the fuses is in this fuse box in the engine compartment, and we have fuse number 12. Okay, this is number 12, 60 amp fuse in our case. So we'll just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, this is the fuse, okay, right here. So this one's good, we'll go ahead and install it. Now we have 3 more fuses that are hidden guys, and we'll show you where. So the second fuse box, okay, is located behind the glove box, and the easiest way to do that is to remove the glove box. So let us show you how to do that now. You're going to grab on each side and pull towards each other, okay, until you remove that stop out of the way. You can see this is what prevents the glove box from opening. When you squish it in on this side and the other side, you can pull it out. After that, you grab the whole box and pull it straight out. Okay, just like that. You can see it has 2 hinges there, okay, and that's where the second fuse box is located. Once you remove the glove box, okay, you will see the other fuse box is located right here. So we have 3 fuses here for the power windows. Okay, one is, okay, this one right here, it's number 16 I believe. Okay, this one, okay, right here. That's how we pull it out. You can check it. Okay, I'll go ahead and replace it with a new one. Okay, then we have 2 more fuses guys. Okay, and ours I can check them without removing those. Number 31 and 34. Okay, these 2 fuses are for power windows as well. You remove them just the same way we remove the one outside. It's not very complicated, but always check it guys if your windows don't work. So always check the fuses, that's the easiest thing you can do. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.